Okay, this is week 17 mixtures. It's a 1-week folder. The 2 learning targets say, I will learn to demonstrate and explain that mixtures of solids can be separated based on observable properties of their parts, such as particle size, shape, color, and magnetic attraction. Second one says, I will learn to investigate and identify materials that will dissolve in water and those that will not, and identify the conditions that will speed up or slow down the dissolving process. I know I'll be successful when I submit my make a mixture pictures and sentences. So let's get started. Open the textbook, right-click, open in a new tab. Take a look. You have to log in, right-click, open in a new tab. Remember, if you click Remember Me, it keeps these drop-downs the same. Username and password, student5, student5. Space button, backspace, log in. If you need help with logging in, if I know I went fast there, but please let me know. Once you're logged in, press Next. Remember, you click the buttons in this order. Unit 4, play button next to Lesson 4. Scroll down. Unit 4, play button next to Lesson 4. Click. You listen to the whole lesson, all of the slides. And when you're done, you have a question at the bottom. It says, when dissolving gelatin in water, which of the following will make it dissolve faster? So you listen to all the slides and you get down to 8, and then you can come to my question. And I believe it's a multiple choice the way it sounds. Nope. You have to pick what will make it dissolve faster. This question was borrowed from the lesson, so know that you will find the answer in the textbook lesson. When you're done with the textbook, go to the next textbook lesson. Let's see if we can make it work like I thought it could. Let's try not logging in because we already logged in the last lesson. Click Next. Fingers crossed. My theory is correct. It's correct. Yahoo! So if you do 2 textbook lessons in one day, you don't have to log in the second time. Unit 4, Lesson 5. Ooh, it's a lab. I like labs. Click the play button. I like to peek and see what the lab is about. Question says, how does particle size affect the time it takes for sugar to dissolve in water? Let's just peek and see what the lab's about. Aha. Oh yeah, you're mixing in sugar and you're taking the temperature. And it's trying to figure out how temperature changes how things dissolve, I believe. But you go through each slide, excuse me. You wait for this to illuminate, then you click to the next one so you don't miss anything. When you're done with all of the slides, 14 of them, click My Question, and then you can answer it below here. Okay? When you're done with that, remember these questions, when you see the question mark, it is worth a grade. You've got 2 textbook lessons we just finished. Ooh, we got Study Jams. Right-click, open in a new tab. Study Jams, you know how to do this one. If you want to do it in a new window, you click here, and it'll open in a new tab. But if not, you just click Play Video. You watch the video. You can see it better if you scroll down. When the video is done, scroll up, click Close. Test yourself. Answer each of these questions. Be honest. Don't just click and click and click and click. You want to know if you know the stuff or if you don't. If you do know the stuff, then you're probably going to get a good grade coming up on the next assignment. You click the answer you think is correct, and then once you get to number 7, you keep clicking forward because it will show you which ones you got right, which ones you got wrong. You want to know which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong, because when I ask you very similar questions right here, you want to be able to answer them correctly and get a good grade. So do a good job in the Study Jams website so you can get a good grade in my website. Back to the course. After Study Jams, you've got the mixtures review. Let's take a look. Right-click, open in a new tab. We've got this video where this person displays different mixtures and solutions. I like this one. It helps kind of clear up the difference. After that, you click Next. You've got a fun science video. Types of mixtures, and then you've got a question. Tell 2 tricks you would use to separate a mixture. tell 2 different ways you could separate a mixture. Submit. So those 2 videos help you answer that question. After mixtures review, you've got this project to turn in, I believe. Make a mixture using paper and art supplies or a computer drawing program. Draw a picture of a mixture, that rhymes, and a solution. Submit it by clicking the Add Submission button below. With your picture, write a sentence about each example explaining how you know that it is a solution or a mixture. And then I did my examples. A mixture. Lopez's food mixed with ham. A solution. Kool-Aid mixed with water. Lopez's food mixed with ham is a mixture because the 2 parts can be separated and they keep their properties. Ham is still a solid and the dog food is still a solid. The Kool-Aid in the water is the solution because their properties of liquid and solid change as the Kool-Aid dissolves into the water. So I have the drawings and then the 2 sentences explaining how I know they are what they are. Below here I have a tutorial on how to use Microsoft Paint, which is an online computer program that I used to make these 2 drawings. You don't have to draw your picture on the computer. You can if you choose to. You could just do it on a piece of paper and submit it that way. But you'll submit it at the bottom. And I believe that's it. Once you're done with Make a Mixture, you're done with the whole thing. Let me know if you need any help with any of these parts. Give me a call or email me. Thanks. Good luck.